Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Haley and I am in my music room today. It's a new setting for a video, but I thought we'd change things up a little bit. This lighting is a little bit better, so that's nice. We have my very first Wantable unboxing video today. This is actually my second Wantable box. I got another one that is going to be part of a Battle of the Boxes that's coming up very soon. It'll be a battle between Wantable, Stitch Fix, and Dia & Co. So that's coming soon. This is actually my second Wantable box though, because I accidentally ordered a second one. Did not realize that they were gonna come so soon. I thought I was ordering one like far in advance, and then it showed up. I was like, wait, what? So I have another Wantable, and here it is. As you can see, it's got the little sticker that says styled for Haley, which is a nice little personalized touch. Underneath the paper we have our little card with the stuff on it, and then our return mailer, and then we have the clothing. So let's see here. So this is the Style Bestsellers Edit Summer Edition. I thought that would be a fun one to try. So on the card, it actually has like my account note and my order note on the card, so I can look back and see kind of what I'm thinking, what I was thinking, what they were kind of looking at when they styled me. So the stylist says, "Hi Haley, thanks for returning for your second style edit. I'm so happy to see you back and excited to style you after checking out what you did or did not love last time. I integrated your feedback on the selections from last time to curate an edit with new styles just for you. In your edit are best-selling denim shorts that work well with a ruffle sleeve v-neck front seam detail floral top," that's a lot of words, in green with your favorite sandals, perfect for lunch and laughs with your loved ones. How did I do on your style and fit this month? Your feedback is super important and appreciated, so keep me in the loop of what worked this time around and where I can adjust for the future. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Alrighty. Curious about sizing. Okay, so it looks like, so you guys will see in my video before this, I was really confused with Wantable because their extra large is supposedly like a 14 standard size, which is like a little bit smaller than what I am. I'm usually like a size 16 or 14W, but I'm not really a 1X. So I'm like, really, to most brands that are in stores, I'm an extra large. Occasionally we'll wear a double XL, and all the Stitch Fix brands, the double XL is what I need. I don't know what it is with these brands, but originally my sizes in Wantable were 1X and 14W. For this go around, I changed my sizes to extra large because when I was seeing things in the stream, I didn't really like anything in the plus sizes. And so I thought maybe if I changed my sizes on tops to standard sizes, maybe I would like things better. And there actually are a few things that I requested that got put in this box that are standard size. So we'll see how this works out. Let's get to the clothing. So first we have some denim. I believe they're shorts. Yes. All right, so these are some dark wash denim shorts with some distressing. They have a cuff and they are tacked. The cuff is tacked, so they are not going to go anywhere. They are quite a short inseam. If you have been watching my videos for a while, you know I'm not a fan of super short shorts. I don't like long shorts, but I am very particular. Like I need like a 4-inch or a 5-inch inseam, and like that is perfection for me. Longer is frumpy, shorter is just too short. So these are from the brand Sneak Peek, and they don't have any tags on them, so that's a little concerning. Let's see. I guess these are the high-rise shorts with rolled up hem and distressing in dark 1X from the brand Sneak Peek, and they're $74. That is a lot for a pair of shorts. But there they are. Next item is my favorite color. I love royal blue, guys. I love it so much. I believe this is a jumpsuit that I requested. So, all right. Yeah. Tank top. It's got a zipper in the back. Got some pleating. It's a jumpsuit. You'll see it in full when I try it on. It is from the brand Gilly, and it's a size 1X. This is the jumpsuit in royal blue 1X from Gilly for $84. It's a little bit pricey for my liking, but we will see how I feel about it. All right, next is a top that I'm pretty sure I requested. It's from the brand Voy, V-O-Y. I really like this. This is really cute. Green with some floral action, little flutter sleeve. It's got a little, okay, so it's got buttons on the front, and then there's a little ruffle covering the buttons. Okay, this is really cute. This is the ruffle sleeve V-neck front seam detail floral top. I think this is the one that was in the description, or the note. From Voy, Los Angeles, and it's $54. All right, next we have, okay, interesting. Okay, we have a white tank top, sweater thing. Yeah, it feels like a sweater. It's like a, I don't know. Okay, it's from the brand Another Love, and it's a size medium. That's not my size. Interesting. They made a mistake. They're calling this the Cora high neck sleeveless rib top in white, extra large. Wrong. From the brand Another Love for $49. So that was a mistake. Whoops. Next we have another top that I requested, also from the brand Voy. I really liked their stuff in the stream. It was very cute. This is more of like a cottony material. That other one was a polyester. This is really cute. Okay, so it's like an eyelet kind of vibe, but it's got a print to it. Flutter sleeve again, and it's got a tie in the back. This is so cute. All right, this is the ruffle sleeve back neck tie floral top in multi extra large size, extra large for $59 from Voy, Los Angeles. Cool. Alrighty. Next up we have some white denim shorts, also from the brand Sneak Peek. These have a button fly. They're also very short. They're cut off. I already have white denim shorts. I already know I'm not going to keep these, but there they are. Seem very stretchy. They are the high-rise shorts with 5 button fly and frayed hem in white for $74. Crazy. No. All right, and then the last thing is a pair of jeans. These feel so good. Oh, I can't spoil the last box. Okay, but these are from the brand Love Vervet. They are the high-rise slim straight jean. They have a rip in the knee, and they're just like a scissor hem at the bottom. And these are the high-rise slim straight in medium blue 14W from Love Vervet. They are on sale for $55.50. So let's get to the try on. All right, the first item is the jumpsuit in royal blue 1X from Gilly for $84. Here's the jumpsuit. It does have pockets, which is nice. That's kind of like a must for me. I'm not a huge jumpsuit girly. Honestly, I think I'm just more comfortable in a dress, but this is really cute. I love the color of it. It's a little bit basic for my liking. I think I'm just more of a Prince girl. But I do like it. Pockets are great. The length is actually really good. It's not too long on me, which is surprising, but it's also not like a cropped jumpsuit. It's hitting the floor on me, which may not be a good thing if you're taller than me, because I'm only like 5'4.5", 5'5". So I don't know. This is what the back looks like. It's got like a little V back. I'm not sure if I got it zipped all the way up, but and it's not that it wouldn't zip, it's just that I couldn't reach it. It's actually a little bit loose on me. I feel like the legs are like too flowy. And then the top's also just a little bit bigger. I think it would just fit me a little bit better if I had a little bit more curves. I think the waistline though actually fits well. So I think it's not like it's the wrong size. It's just that, I don't know, my body's not quite the right shape. I could definitely pull it off, I think. I just don't really know if I would have a whole lot of use for it, especially for the price tag. But it's really cute if you're in the market for a blue jumpsuit. It's real cute. Let's move to the next thing. Okay, outfit number 2 is the ruffle sleeve V-neck front seam detail floral top by Voy Los Angeles for $54, and the high-rise shorts with 5-button fly and frayed hem in white from Sneak Peek for $74. Let's talk about the top. I'm glad I changed my sizes because this is perfect. I don't think there's anything wrong. I don't know, maybe it's pulling a little bit at the top, but you can unbutton it. There we go, no issues. I think this top fits fine. I love the little ruffle sleeves. And then the little ruffle down the front to cover the buttons up. I think it's really cute. Love the color. I gotta color this top in my other Wantable. I got another top this color in my other Wantable. But it was just really plain and it was more expensive than this one. So this is cute. I like it. I like the print. Could wear this to work. It would look really cute with white jeans, white pants, navy pants, whatever you want to do. So it looks really cute with the white shorts. I already own 2 pairs of white denim shorts, so I don't need any more. But these they're not bad. They have a little 5-button fly. They're a little on the short side for my liking. I've said before, I like my shorts just a little longer than this. The fit's pretty good. They have a good bit of stretch to them. They're more of like a fitted denim short, which I'm not really into anymore. I like my shorts to fit a little bit looser, just for a more comfortable fit. But these are not bad. They are a little pricey though. I think $74 is just a little steep, but this is a cute outfit. For our next outfit, we have the ruffle sleeve back neck tie floral top in multi extra large from, I don't know if it's Voy or VOY Los Angeles. If you know, let me know. For $59. And then we have the high-rise shorts with rolled up hem and distressing in dark from Sneak Peek for $74. Okay, top is adorable. It's really cute. I do think this one might be a little too small though. Just because the material is so structured, it is like, I feel like I'm being choked a little bit in the neck. I don't know, give it some give, I don't know. I think it's just because of the neck. It just feels choky. And maybe it's not that it's too small, it's just that the neck does this. I don't know, but here it is. It's really, really pretty. If you guys want to see really a little bit closer up what the pattern and the eyelet looks like, it's really, really pretty. The back has this cute little bow detail, which I love. It is cute. I don't see this one as versatile as the first top, the green one. And it is actually a little snug around my lower belly when I untuck it. So I just think it might just be a little small on me. So this one will most likely go back. These shorts are also really small, which is confusing because they're the same brand as that other pair. And they fit, those white ones fit fine. These are super snug, which is really strange because they're 1X. But yeah, here's what they look like. They're short, they're stretchy, they're fitted. So yeah, I'm not keeping anything in this outfit, but cute. Cute if it's your style. Okay, I didn't try on the white top because it's the wrong size, but these jeans. They are the high-rise slim straight and medium blue 14W from Love Vervet for $55.50 on sale. They're originally $74. I love them. They are like butter and like they are perfect. They're amazing, okay? Like, okay, I gotta spoil my next video for y'all. I got a pair of these same jeans, the exact same fit, same brand, everything, just a different wash. I kept them. I was obsessed. They're amazing. So these are the same ones. They are distressed, unlike the others. These have a more simple hem than the others, though. Darker wash. But y'all, like, they are, like, I don't even know how to do chef's kiss, but chef's kiss perfection. Like, look, like, they hold in the tummy a little bit, like, but they're still comfortable. They got some stretch. Like, I could do cartwheels in these if I could do a cartwheel. Like, slap your mama, amazing. The problem with this is that I already own some similar jeans from Madewell that I really like. So, do I need these all that much? Not really, but I'm like, if I can snag them for $55 on sale, it might be worth it. I don't know. I'll let you guys help me out. Let's say that. Tell me, should I keep the jeans? Because I'm obsessed. All right, let's do a recap. All right, let's recap. So we had the jumpsuit for $84, which I'm going to be returning. The ruffle sleeve, the floral, multicolored floral top for $59. I will be returning it just for the comfort factor of it. It was adorable, I must say. We have the ruffle sleeve v-neck green one for $54. I'm gonna keep it. I love it. Then we have the Cora high neck sleeveless top in white that I didn't try on because it was the wrong size. I wouldn't keep it anyway, so it's $49. We have the high res shorts with rolled up hem and distressing for $74. We'll be returning those. We have the high rise slim straight in medium blue for $55.50. I'm gonna think on those because they're amazing, but is the need there? But I mean, when you find the perfect pair of jeans, you gotta keep your perfect pair of jeans, right? I don't know. Okay, and then we have the white high-rise shorts from Sneak Peek for $74. So the total of everything is $449.50. So they send you 7. Is that right? 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah, 7 items. So $449.50. If you keep 5 or more, you get a discount of 20%. So I guess if you kept everything, you would get $89.90 off, making it $359.60. And then your styling fee is $21.40 because they add in sales tax, which is interesting. But then they have sales tax on the box, which is 7%. Pretty sure where I live it's 6%. Interesting. Okay, so y'all let me know what you think about the jeans. Should I keep them? I'm leaning towards yes. I don't need to buy them though, but I really like them. Maybe I sell the Madewell ones on Poshmark. I don't know. Y'all have to help me out here. I do really like my Madewell jeans though too. Anyway, let me know about the jeans. I think I'm keeping the green top. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys here next time. Bye.